What's going on, YouTube? Murdic is back here. Let me take the glasses off. Murdic is back here, bringing you guys a video on this beautiful 9.3 Aero SAAB. This is a 2008. We just put a Vermont tuning kit in this car. Absolutely nuts. Let me just give you a quick walk around. It's the Aero package. Get the wheels. Get the ice block taillights. Very nice, clean car. And this time we're gonna be filming it from the passenger seat because we forgot the hat. But regardless, it's gonna be a great video. So what are the specifications for this car? Why are you laughing?
Well, it's the low stage 2+, so only like 15 psi right now. It's gonna be 30 when all said and done. I don't know if the torque or horsepower, I don't really know the specs of those right now. My tuner didn't really say. But when he gives me the A-OK for me to go full out, should be a little bit over 500 horsepower. And then like 425 pound-feet of torque, just because you'll blow your axles, or you have a good chance of blowing your axles. And then the PSI would be 30, so it's just gonna be a monster. This car is already pretty.
It's quick, guys. It's quick. It's quick.
I think a lot of the old Camaros would have a lot of
trouble. Yeah, no,
these also have the adaptive headlights, so whenever I turn,
yeah,
see, like,
Beam has them too, but they're broken.
Yours?
Yeah, they're broken.
Oh, really? Oh.
Yeah, I gotta get a new like module or something.
It's probably expensive.
It is.
Well, yeah, so
LKQ,
definitely. This is definitely well needed. All right, you guys, you ready for a little floor?
Let's see it. Oh my god. Oh my god.
That's only 15 psi too.
That's only we
like,
didn't.
Holy that's an on video.
Yeah, no, we
didn't. I forgot. YouTube.
No, you're good. We got it. We got
to block it out.
Hey guys, all I can say that was stupid
well
quick.
Worth, let's just say
stupid quick.
This is probably, the build was 13. Oh, I'm sorry. Like
go right.
5K.
Go right.
5K altogether for labor, for the installation and all that. Shout out to Harvey Akbar.
Yes, sir. Shout out Harvey. Shout out Harvey.
Is awesome, man. I mean, if you guys are in the DMV area and you have a SAAB and want to tune it or build anything about it, go to Harvey. And then if you're also in the DMV area and you need something like OEM done, like, you know, like change like struts or I don't know, anything basic that like leaks or anything like that, go to Viking Automotive in Air Park in Gaithersburg. Go see Eric. I'm telling you, the best. But you gotta email him. Unfortunately, he does not answer the phone, so he won't answer it. So if you continuously call, he's not gonna answer, unfortunately, unless if you leave a message. He might. I think he would call back. But if you want his quickest response, I'm telling you, you gotta
do the email.
You gotta email him.
Go right. Go right.
I think it's Viking Automotive at Verizon.net. But yeah. So I've probably spent 5K for everything. I mean, this thing is running on ethanol as well, and right now it is running on the ethanol low tune, stage 2+ tune. Corn, exactly. But it's actually my first batch of ethanol, and I didn't fill up when it was completely empty. It was under 1/4 of a tank for sure, but it wasn't quite empty. And I don't quite smell full ethanol. I kind of smell a little bit of gas as well. So it's not quite full ethanol, but you know, it's kind of, I definitely feel a big difference from 93. I mean, good gosh, if you guys have the opportunity to go to ethanol, convert, I promise you, please do it. I mean, it's just cheaper as well. But yeah, car runs completely different on ethanol than 93. Yeah.
You heard it first, ladies and gents. SAAB 93 Aero. Hey guys, this thing.
Well, that was only in third. Too,
yeah,
so
yeah, bro. So this thing's quick.
Yeah, I wish we had it on the RPMs and speedometer. You know, we gotta.
Yeah, we messed up. We didn't bring the hat, but next video we're gonna do a hat. We just had to put a video out of this car right now. I mean, this thing.
Can you get it? Are you on it?
Yeah.
Maybe let's see if you can. Well, I don't. All right, hang on. Well, let's get to a better spot.
Yeah,
right now.
All right, yeah. Tell me before we do it. Hey, we're on a closed track right now.
Right,
do not attempt this at home. Do not attempt this at home.
All right, boys, girls, ready? All right, that was a little pull.
Yeah, that was a little pull, and this thing hauls.
Yeah. I mean, it is a little bit heat soaked right now. Let's see what the coolant temperature is running. I need to get some gauges for, so it is 205 Fahrenheit. Yeah. My ECID, some reason, is broken where it does not read right on my horsepower and torque right anymore, or my miles per gallon. So that kind of sucks, but for temperature wise, it does read accurate as far as I know. Yeah, because right now it only says, my max pull was only 273 pound-feet of torque and 276 horsepower.
Yeah.
When I had stage 0, when I had the E-sitting in this thing, I was getting like 330-ish, near like high 330s for torque, and then my horsepower was like 310 to like 320-ish. So that's just completely false right there. I don't know what happened with it. Maybe I need to contact the people who make it or ask them, or maybe I need to reset the settings on the ECID itself, like under my like thing. I don't know, because yeah, I would use this one for my 2.0 as well, because this is the 3rd version. So this tells you misfires and all that good kind of things, engine knock. So it's kind of, you know, very valuable to know.
Very useful, yeah.
So let's kind of check that, actually. I'm going to check the engine knock now. Actually, maybe it's the other one that tells you that. For some reason, this one is not telling me.
Guys, the sounds from this car are insane. The whoosh in the muffler.
And it's no burble tune. This is all completely natural.
Yeah.
Yeah. I'm about to...
Yeah, right? Guys, that whoosh sounds like from really, GTA.
Yeah,
it's the GTA whoosh. Like when you upgrade your car to turbo, that's what it sounds like.
Yeah, I honestly, I mean, this is one of the biggest sleepers, and like, I mean, $5,000, guys, honestly.
Yeah.
I mean, and you got to know the right person to install. Harvey, he cleaned out my radiator as well. Huge difference in engine coolant temperature. I mean, completely different. And as well as this car is pushing a lot more power, and it's still staying a lot cooler than what it was doing before with the stage 0 with the stock components.
Because it hasn't been cleaned.
So this, yeah, man, this guy, Harvey, he knows what he's doing. He did some ground harnesses that prone to go bad. He actually right now my it's called the ISM, the ignition system module is broken. So my car was not starting all day when I was supposed to go see Harvey. Actually, I did go see him. Fortunately I did, to fix the wastegate pressure, or the
wastegate.
Well, it's actually called the actuator.
Actuator.
Yeah.
Wastegate actuator.
What?
Wastegate actuator.
Yeah.
Yeah.
But, yeah. So it's a spring. So he had to, he had to manually put how much torque my tuner to put it. I mean, not torque, boost, and it was supposed to be set at 9 psi, so we did that, we fixed it. This car runs completely different now after doing that. I mean, the car was an animal before, but like just felt a little bit slouchier, and I was a little bit like, whoa, like I was, you know, like not pulling as hard as I thought. But now it's just insane, and this is not even the full out.
Anyways, guys, make sure you like this video, subscribe to my channel, check out SAAB Aero. What was it? Saviato.
Oh, for my YouTube?
Yes.
Oh yeah, Saviato.
Saviato on Instagram, Saviato on YouTube. Give that page a follow. Anyways, like this video, comment down below what you guys thought of this video. Part 2's coming very soon. Anyways, thank you for watching. Peace.